The escalating second wave of coronavirus infections in India present a risk to its growth forecast of 13.7% for the fiscal year 2022, as the reimposition of virus management measures will curb economic activity and could dampen the market and consumer sentiment. The announced countermeasures to combat the second wave, some of which are due to remain in place at least until the end of April, risk weakening the economy recovery. However, the targeted nature of containment measures and rapid progress on vaccinating the population will mitigate the credit negative impact. India has registered more than 1 lakh daily COVID cases consecutively for the last 7 days till Monday, pushing the active caseload past the 1 million mark. Many states including Maharashtra, Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Punjab and Haryana have imposed night curfews, partial lockdowns and reductions in working hours to limit spread of the virus. Economists believe that the contact in intensive services may be the first casualty of the second wave of the pandemic. In March, both manufacturing and services PMI declined, reflecting the early impact of surge in infections. India is the second worst hit nation in terms of total COVID-19 cases and third worst hit country in terms of active cases. India also witnessed 1,027 fatalities due to COVID-19 in a single day. The death toll from the deadly infection stands at 1,72,115. The COVID situation is starting to get more and more complicated. The number of victims are increasing every day. Not just the victims, the death toll is also rising rapidly. The whole country is facing a terrible situation. As the situation is getting worse day by day, the central government has taken initiative in order to bring schools, colleges and educational institutions back under control. The central government is not thinking of a complete lockdown at the moment, considering the country's financial system. If necessary, a night curfew will be imposed in order to bring the situation under control, according to information from reliable sources. As the situation in the country continues to deteriorate, the daily laborers are already in a state of panic, including the poor sections of the society. Bureau Report, Hala Bol.